we are out. It's Sovereign. So this is Tian.
Hi.
And Danny and hiding. And Javian.
Hi guys.
This is Dorian. So my lovely nieces.
Okay.
And where's my beautiful wife? She is putting on her face.
Oh, please.
We're in Sovereign.
Yes, today we are at Sovereign and we're taking the girls and the boy for, what is it? Yes, no, it's for frozen yogurt, right. So we're taking the girls and the boys for frozen yogurt.
Yeah, just a treat. Just a treat before back to school. Yeah man, we're just going to let them relax a little bit. Eat a little. Yeah. So they are very busy. Dorian is not so much a camera person. So this is what has caught the girls' attention. Whatever that is. Fingerlings. Tutti frutti.
Alright, so you don't want to taste that. There are a lot of other stuff. And then there's butterscotch cheesecake.
Butterscotch cheesecake.
Queen, which one you like? The birthday cake. Alright, the birthday cake. Which one you like? You like that one?
So Avian is having a go at hers.
Burger Abbey. Everybody was so excited to have the yogurt. We didn't even get a chance to just
So you are lovely yogurt.
You're right. Tian is so right. We didn't get a chance because they were so excited to eat it, so they had it all so quickly.
And it smells very quick. Yes, it smells very quick.
And Dorian is playing.
Okay, so we got some KFC. Everybody's getting KFC. Everybody's awaiting their KFC.
See better, kind of.
Shana K waiting her KFC too.
No.
Tian, you're waiting your KFC?
Yeah.
Straight up. Oh.
Where are you going?
So this is Tanian getting away on her tablet. Tanian is playing game. Dorian having an earphone. Tian is just walking, strolling. This is Shana, okay. What was your experience like in Tutti Frutti and the KFC? Who first? Tini first? Come
Did
on,
you like
Tini.
it, Afi?
Yeah, I like the Tutti Frutti and the KFC. Actually, the KFC was not that bad. One thing I really good was the Tutti Frutti. The Tutti Frutti. The Tutti Frutti. Five. The KFC. The fries and the chicken. I give all of them a 10 out of 10 because I love everything about them.
Shall we go home now?
No.
Oh, boy.
I'm going to enjoy Dorian and transportation at the moment.
So now we are by Emancipation Park. We're gonna chill by Emancipation Park and just relax. We're a bit tired, but we're just gonna relax now. What says you girls?
I can't wait. It's like gonna be so fantastic. Oh yeah.
What you say, Tini?
It's going to be fun.
So, alright, guys, come along. Every time you come, you do the same thing. Take up a pill and do that. And did that play or something. What's wrong with your hand? Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Good choice.
But Tian, take up the wrapper.
Yeah, one like that, and then come on.
So hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Give a
And-
thumbs up. And also you enjoy this video.
Right,
And subscribe every time. You know what I mean.
right, and Avi said subscribe every time. You know what she means, right? All right.
Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to like and share with your families.
Go
with
again.
this video.
Don't forget
Get
to like and
share
share.
with your families.
And friends.
And friends is still always friends.
Tune in again next time with Journey with the Jacksons.
Say bye.
Bye.
All right.